For example, this one is the diagram, this one is the image. I will open it on, so this on from Google Images I am taking. So this is the image. Now what is my problem statement, what I am going to do? First of all, I want to create some study material. I want to create some content from this image. That is one content. That is one type. Or if I discuss it in terms of research, I want to write 5 to 6 lines about this diagram. Generally, what we do, if I am given the task to write 5 to 6 lines about this diagram, generally we write in our own language. In our own language, maybe. So what I will write, okay, this figure 1 depicts IoT analytics in which different components are there. These components are smart city, smart factory. In this way, we will write in very vague language. But many times vague language do not work. For example, you are working on some book, you are working on some question paper, you are creating some study material. In that case, vague or very classical language do not work. I want to write in very professional way, very professional and very in very effective English. That is one format. Another way, from this diagram only, I want to put some questions. That is the major part. I want to ask, what is the relationship of smart city with smart supply chain in this diagram? Only in this diagram. Otherwise, this question may arise that if we want to find out relationship between smart city and supply chain, we can ask from ChatGPT. But I don't want to use ChatGPT for this. I want relation of smart city with supply chain only in context of this diagram. For this, what I will do, I will go for multimodal image chat. First of all, I will download this image. I am taking its screenshot. So screenshot 1, it is downloaded. Now I will upload this on updf.com. On updf.com, I will upload this image, and then you can see that I will ask the question in context of this image rather than entire world wide web. If I will ask this question from ChatGPT, that will give me answer globally from entire www, from entire large language model, from entire database that it is having. I want pinpoint answer. Okay, first of all, explain this image. Click. And one more thing I want to say, I am using its free variant. I am not using any paid account. Okay, this platform I am using in free subscription. Okay, so we will see it. It is working now. So first of all, now you can see that explain this image, and you can see that now it is explaining this diagram. If I want to write 5 lines or complete chapter only on this diagram, so you can see that it is giving me very professional answer, very professional response only on this diagram. What is smart city, what is smart factory in context of this image. Okay, so you can see that. So I'm showing you this image. This is the image. Okay, and this is response. This is diagram. So separately I'm showing you so that you can relate it. So this one. So each and every point is very professionally explained. Smart healthcare, it is explained. Smart home, this is explained with bulb. So you can see that it has automatically identified that this is house and bulb. House and bulb. In smart city, buildings and traffic light. Very smart city, this is smart city, traffic light and building. Okay, I have simply uploaded my image. Now I want to ask, what is relation of smart city and supply chain in this diagram. So I will put here relation of smart city and smart supply chain in this diagram. Okay, Rather than complete chat gpt or perplexity or gemini, I want to ask in context of this diagram only, what is the relationship of this, so it will explain. So if I want to create a complete book only on this diagram, that is possible. 200 pages, 300 pages can be written only on this diagram with AI. Without AI, you can imagine how much time it will take. But with AI, we can perform anything. Now I can ask, okay, what is the relationship of smart home and smart factory? What is the relation of smart healthcare and smart city in this diagram? So all permutations, all combinations, different aspects we can relate. So you can see that 2 3 pages are created up to now only on two questions. Now I want to ask, okay, smart healthcare and smart city. Okay, elaborate smart healthcare in this diagram. This is known as multimodal image chat. I am chatting from images. Previously in Charlie in chat PDF, we were working on chatting with PDF document, chatting with document. Okay, now we are chatting with diagram. We are chatting with image. This is known as multimodal image chat. So I have asked this platform to elaborate smart healthcare. Now it is elaborating, it is explaining smart healthcare in rigorous way, in very professional format. If I am working on some research paper, dissertation, thesis, or research report, or some project work, as all of you are academicians, you are professors, you might be working on different research projects. After completion of research project or in between that research project, you have to give documentation to government agencies. So those documentations can be generated with AI. Okay, so you can see that this one. Now if I want to convert above bullets output in paragraph, because everything in bullet format doesn't look good or doesn't look professional. I want all of these bullets in only paragraph format, because paragraphs look more professional and effective in visibility. Now you can see that same content is now getting transformed to paragraph format. So you can see that from a single diagram, only on 2 to 3 queries, we have created 3 to 4 pages. Now, if we go for detailed analysis, you can write a complete chapter or complete book. This is known as multimodal image chat, that is available in so many tools. Not only this tool, but you should know name of the implementation. Okay, so if you will search for multimodal image AI or generative AI tools for multimodal image chat, you will get thousands of tools. In same way, audio chat, video chat, so many things available. For every implementation, you will get thousands of tools, so many tools.